I'd like to share with you a brilliant technique for reducing anxiety. TFT, that's thought field therapy. It looks a bit unusual, but many scientific studies show that it's amazingly effective at reducing stress, anxiety, trauma, compulsion, and even panic attacks. It was created by my late friend, Dr. Roger Callahan. His breakthrough brings together a modern scientific approach and the ancient understanding of the originators of acupuncture. People initially dismissed his incredible breakthrough, which was a radical departure from traditional psychological treatments, as a distraction or nonsense or even a placebo. Yet he had an excellent comeback to this. He said, "Can't be a placebo, as a placebo only works when you're convinced that it's going to. You take the pill as you think it's going to heal you, and it's your belief that it does." But no, with this, it's quite the opposite. People very often don't believe that tapping on a particular part of their body is going to create such a dramatic change. So I'd like to share with you this technique now. If you're feeling anxious, I'd like you to rate your anxiety on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, copy me. Take 2 fingers and tap just below your eye, about 10 times. And then tap here by your collarbone. Then tap under your eye again. And tap your collarbone. Next, I'd like you to tap on the back of your hand here. That's it, by your ring finger. And I'd like you to close your eyes and open your eyes. Keep your head still and look down to the right, down to the left. Keep tapping on the back of your hand. Now, rotate your eyes in a full 360 around, and then rotate in the opposite direction. Next, we're going to hum, and we're going to count, and we're going to hum. Hum the bars of a tune with me now. We're going to go right brain. And then count out loud, left brain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then hum again, please. Great. Now, tap under your eye again. Tap your collarbone. Tap under your eye again. And once again, tap on the back of your hand and keep tapping as you close your eyes and open your eyes. Keep your head still, look down to the right, down to the left, rotate your eyes around, full 360, and rotate in the opposite direction. Now, still tapping on your hand, hum with me. And then count out loud from 1 to 5, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hum a tune. Tap under your eye. Tap your collarbone. Tap under the eye again. Tap your collarbone. Then tap on the back of your hand here and stop. And now notice how much the anxiety is reduced on a scale of 1 to 10.